Hi, and welcome to Teacher Nell's Learning Resources, your place to listen, read, and enjoy amazing short stories. Let's get started. Why Ants Are Diligent, Part 1, adapted by Mil Flores Ponciano. Long ago, in a big forest, there lived a group of ants led by Queen Meg. These ants were red. They were known for spending their days playing near the web and resting in bed. These ants like sleeping under the shady trees and feeling the gentle breeze in the forest. Instead of working like other animals, they like to find warm places to relax and do nothing. Queen Meg always prayed for the ants to be diligent. One day, a big problem came to the forest. There was not enough food for everyone, and the other animals were worried. "Oh no! What will we do?" cried the pig. "Don't worry," said Meg. "We will find a solution." "Yes, let us make a plan," agreed Meg. "We should pray for God's help. We should work together to find food," said one of the ants. The ants did not give up. They all went under a tree and asked for God's help. They made a plan to find food for everyone. Every day, the ants searched the forest. "We have to find more food," said one ant. "We cannot give up. Keep looking and keep praying for God to help us," said another ant. They found seeds, grains, and fruits and brought them back to their home. They still prayed and worked together and never gave up. Why Ants Are Diligent, Part 2. While the ants were on their way home, they saw a giant boy jumping in the forest. The boy seemed happy as he jumped and ran into the forest. "Oh no! The boy might step on us. We might not bring the food to our home," said one ant. "What shall we do?" asked the other ant. "Let us pray and make another plan," suggested the other ant. So the ants prayed. "Let us change our way back home," said one ant. "That is correct. It is risky to take our usual way home because of the jumping boy," said the other ant. The ants turned left and continued crawling.